Hey guys, Richard here. So in this video I want to talk to you about traffic. Now traffic is the absolute lifeblood of any business online. Now when I actually started off online, I was completely lost. I could never work out how you actually get traffic over to your any kind of product or service that I want to go ahead and promote. It was completely the thing that dumbfounded me, and I had no idea how to do it. Now if you're in the same boat, I got something very, very special for you. I have an invite over to a webinar that's due to take place on October the 4th at 6 p.m. GMT, and this webinar is going to explain to you a strategy that I've used myself to get hundreds of thousands of free visitors over to my own products and services that I am promoting. Now I'm actually going to show you proof of that, guys. I don't bull anybody, there's no need for me to. I'm actually going to show you proof of that, but this strategy is something that you can do too, right? I learned this from my mentor Phillip Borrowman. Phillip Borrowman has a course called the Advanced Traffic Blueprint, and in that course he shows you a step-by-step process of using product reviews to actually get traffic, leads and sales over to any product or service that you want to go ahead and promote. Now you may have heard of this strategy. This strategy is called launch jacking, but this isn't the type of launch jacking you see lots and lots of times on Warrior Plus, where you just shove something full of bonuses. You have no respect for what the product actually is or the people that are actually going to go ahead and buy it. All you want to do is make a commission. This is real learning how to do real product reviews and actually have a real honest business that you can take forward and expand on the internet. If you go onto my channel itself, you'll see I do lots and lots of different product reviews on there. They're not all positive, guys. Some of them are negative reviews, but the idea of them is that I'm very, very honest, and I just tell you as it is from my own experience, and I get traffic, leads and sales over to my own business just by being honest with people and getting some kind of relationship with them where they know that I want their best interests at heart, and by doing that I obviously make money by promoting goods and services that I think will be good to them. That's what this is all about, and this is what you can learn if you hit the link in the description below. Come over to my bridge page. You'll see on that bridge page there's an additional video there that tells you a little bit more about my own business and the kind of successes I have. But just on the 100,000 visitors, guys, because it is a big number, here is my channel analytics. This is the School of Nomads channel that you're watching now, and if I go ahead and look at the lifetime of this channel, so far since this was created, I've had 387,000 visitors, 24,000 watch hours, 6,200 subscribers, and just the channel has made $8,000. I have lots of different affiliate networks that I'm a member of, which I also make various types of money from those networks. So you can see there I've got nearly 400,000 visitors to this channel, which is just over a year old, and this is where you're getting your free traffic from. This is exactly what you're going to learn within the actual webinar, and if you go ahead and join the coaching that Philip has, during that coaching he's going to teach you how to do this, and you can do exactly the same. So guys, go ahead and register for the webinar. You'll see the link in the description below over to my bridge page. On that bridge page there is some bonuses there that I will actually give you if you decide to join the coaching. You can go and check out the individual videos on there. They'll explain all about those bonuses, and they will actually make sure that you definitely going to get success using this strategy. Hope to see you in the webinar, guys. Talk soon.